This is a body camera. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to operate this body camera. Okay, for this body camera got 5 buttons. 1, 2, and on the right hand side is 3, 4, 5. All 5 buttons. Okay, and for the first button is a power on off, and the second button is for back button. Okay, and this one, the third button is up. This is okay, and this is a down button. Okay, let's show you how to switch on. You press and hold this power button, long press. Okay, power is on. You want to switch it off? Okay, long press and hold about 3 seconds. Power off. Okay, now we switch on this power back. Press and hold. Okay, now power is on. And this is a back button. Back button got 4 stages. Okay, the first one, okay, you can see this is a video mode, and second press is a picture mode, and this one is audio. We can do voice recording, and this one is come to now. Right now it's no video. This is a memory mode. Memory mode means that all the video recording, sound recording, or even voice recording, or okay, will show here. Later we can play back. Right now we come to this video mode. Okay, we just want to do a simple video recording. Then you want to do recording, you just press this OK button. Okay, now I do this simple video recording. Okay, then go to the picture mode. I press this button again. Now it's picture mode. You can see the picture icons here. Okay, now I take a picture. How about this picture? Okay, picture is taken. I try another one. Okay, now I got 2 pictures. Then I press again. It come to voice recording. Okay, let's do some simple voice recording. You press OK, start to do recording. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Now we do the voice recording. To stop it, press OK again. Okay, now we press this back mode again. Now come to 4. This is the 4th stage. Okay, this is playback. Now we stay. Now we can do a playback. Want to playback just now what we do video recording? Just press this button. Oh no, this is a picture. Okay, I go up. This picture. Okay, go up. Okay, now it's come to video recording. Okay, we play back. Press OK. Okay, this is video recording. Okay, you just OK and go up or down. Okay, okay, you press OK to play back the voice. Okay. So now we can see this is if you want to delete the file here, okay, you press and hold this button, long press. Okay, you can delete. Press OK button to delete this file. Then you can go down. You switch to OK, then press OK button. The file deleted. Okay, now want to delete this file. Press and hold. You can select delete all. Okay, lock this, unlock this. Okay, unlock. So I just delete one file. I press one button. Okay, delete. Okay, one more. I delete. Press and hold. Delete. Go down. Okay. Okay, and this video file. Press and hold. Delete. Okay. Okay, now no more video. Okay, I'll show you more function on the next video.